Hello everybody, this is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And today we're going to be opening our 12 days of Stitchmas. It is going to be individual packages, one for each of the next 12 days. And since today is truly the first day of the 12 days of Christmas, I wanted to get started on this right away. And this will go through, it's either December 5th or 6th. I can't remember off the top of my head. This is from Bothy Threads, and they are a company out of somewhere in the UK. So I think it's England. It probably says somewhere on the inside here. I love Bothy Threads. I have several things from them that I have ordered, and I think I've got a few things coming for Christmas from them as well. So they've got some really beautiful items. They've got a big variety of styles. So if you're into stitching at all, Bothy Threads is something worth looking into. Okay, so let's just, take my lights on. It seems a little dark in here. That's much better. Let's just start this. Okay, we're gonna open the lid, taking the lid off. Okay, here we have, it's a whole bunch of packages with the different days on it. So we'll be grabbing each package for, oh, and they're mixed together. So we got to find it. There's day 4, day 2. That's 7, day 3. Oh, here's day 1. Okay, got it. It's a big one. There's day 1. That's fun. Okay, let's read the card and see what it says. We hope you have a wonderful Christmas. We can't wait for you all to share our 12 days of Stitchmas progress. Please don't spoil the surprise for others, and I will not. I'm very mindful of that kind of thing. All right, with love, the Bothy team. Okay, so day 1. Do you want me to guess? Should I guess? I think it's fabric. I think it's cross-stitch fabric. And this is another stitching place. So a lot of cross-stitch, a lot of needlepoint, that kind of stuff, tapestry, that kind of stuff, which apparently is my new love, my new obsession. Aha! I was right. Oh, it's more than that. So there's our 8 o'clock, and you can see the little teeny tiny little cross threads in there. Those are the squares. That's what we stitch into. And check this out. Wow. A whole thing of threads. Look at this, a whole thing of threads already separated. It's already got the colors marked on there. This is very nice for a first day. I have a feeling we've got a project coming up. So when you're getting ready to do cross stitch, this is what you do. You take all your different colors. So remember the other day I showed you the tags, those plastic tags. That's one way of doing it. This is another way of doing it, where you get a piece of cardboard, or they even have some plastic ones that you can buy, and you put your colors you line all your colors up, and then there will be a symbol on your instructions, and each symbol matches the color of thread. And so that's how you know what color you're going to use. And so they've got this. And if you buy a kit from somewhere, and if it's a good kit, they've already done this for you, just like this one. Those are my favorite kits. Sometimes you'll just get a big old wad of thread, and you got to separate it all out and mark them. And usually I put them in baggies and mark the baggie what the symbol is so that I can keep track of them. So this is day 1. Pretty nice start, if you ask me. Oh, but wait, there's more. Wow. Time to thread your needle. It says, be careful, they might be sharp. Okay, so, oh, I think we're going to be doing some bead work, because this is a beading needle. It's really thin and long, very sharp, and it's got a teeny tiny head on it. The other two are embroidery needles, because they've got a sharp point. Usually cross-stitch tapestry needles, they've got kind of a rounded end so you don't poke yourself while you're doing it. We basically got an entire kit right here. Again, usually when you open a kit, it's got one needle with it. So this is really special. Fun, fun, fun. I'm thinking I'm going to need to set up a, because this I could put them all right back in there when we were done. I'm thinking I'm going to need to set up a bag or something for these as I open them so I don't lose track of all the bits. Okay. Oh. And that's day 1. That is day 1. So we will be back tomorrow with day 2. And maybe a few other things. Who knows? We'll see you guys later.